is Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Friday, the 25th of September, 2015. As you get ready for class on Friday, I'd like you to read Units 221-1, Unit 22, 23, 1 through 4, and Unit 45. And I'd like you to think about the following things. In talking about Jupiter here, our question is, what creates these things? And answer that. There are three questions I'd like you to think about. The first one is, imagine a boat. Here we go. Not a great boat, but it's a boat. And imagine I take some balls, like tennis balls, and I throw them at the boat. These are particles. They could be tennis balls, they could be rocks, whatever. What happens when they get to the boat? For comparison, with the same boat, what happens if I send a wave at that boat? In other words, if I'm standing on the other side here, do the particles make it to me? Or if I'm standing on the other side of the boat here, do the waves make it past the boat? In other words, how do particles and waves compare? The second question has to do with light. If we think of red light, or maybe if you want infrared light, you can think in comparison to blue light, or if you prefer ultraviolet or UV light. Are they the same? How does red light or infrared light feel to you, and how does it compare to blue or ultraviolet light? What makes them different, and how would you describe that? The third question is, if this infrared or red light is different than this blue or UV light, how would you describe that to somebody? And how does that relate to the temperature of things? We'll talk about those three things and more when we get together tomorrow so that we can explain why Jupiter looks the way it does. This is Dr. Doty. See you tomorrow.